Hello everyone, this is Krishnavani. In this series, we are going to see very interesting tool about the SPSS. Yeah, it's a wonderful package which can be used in the social science field to make all the data analysis, and we can create an wonderful, meaningful managerial decisions. Let us see what is SPSS and about SPSS we will see in this video. Yeah, SPSS actually it is an statistical package for the social science. Actually, this contains the package various tools and techniques which are being used in the social sciences are in this package, and which is very powerful tools and which helps us to make good decisions in our daily life and in the for making the strategic decisions also. And to analyze the scientific data for the social sciences, this package is wonderful, and we can apply these tools to make research surveys and all the reports which we want to generate out of the data analysis in the social science fields are concerned. And when we are talking about the SPSS, this SPSS is very much useful to make the first thing is data management. Yeah, like Excel, we can have a data in the form of CSV file, and we can use it for making analysis and to which can be used for the future references also. And it is a statistical tool. The name itself shows that statistical package. Yeah, this package is very much useful to make all the statistical analysis like chi-square, t-test, one sample t-test, two sample paired t-test, ANOVA, correlation, regression, what we want, anything and many more can be done with the statistical analysis, and which helps us to make our research process very simple. And also, apart from the analysis output, we can have our output in terms of charts and graphs also. Appropriate charts and graphs will be given by this package also itself. So it is and super easy for all the data analysis who are in the social science field normally will prefer this SPSS. And also we can integrate and export this data to the other packages like other programs like art program and other things. And also we can make wonderful decisions, and we can create very good report out of this SPSS. This is all about the about SPSS packages. It is being created by the it's an IBM software which is very much useful in all the social science field. And here now we have a doubt how it look like and how to enter the data in the SPSS and all. Yeah, it is a super easy, fantastic experience you will have when you are having an SPSS package and if you start working on it. First thing is that we hear how it looks like Excel, but in the Excel we will have a sheets 1, 2, 3 and all. If you like to add it, we can add it. But here for each sheet we will have a two things to be entered. One, the data to be entered in the data view, and appropriate characteristics and appropriate other features are to be entered about the data, or should be informed to the SPSS with the support of the variable tab. Yeah, it's look like this. Actually we will have a sheets like Excel. Okay, there are two views. One is data view, the other one is the variable view. Normally, we will enter all the data. Say, for example, register number of the student, name of the students, marks in one subject, two, three. All these, the headings and the informations can be written in this. All this can be entered in this, in the data view. And in the variable view, we can give like whether the marks will be in terms of number, name will be in the terms of character, everything to be explained to this package by using the variable view. So this variable view supports to the SPSS what kind of data it is. It's all about the information about the data which we entered in the data view. Data view is all about the variables which we entered in the columns. Okay, data view, in the data view tab, as I told, it appears in the columns, and variables are being appears in the columns, and the cases for each, say for example 801 all the data, and 801's name, 801 score in the subject 1 and all etc can be specified in the data view. And the variable view tells about, yes, this column is a string, this is the number, you have to treat in this way. Everything can be assigned with the support of the variable view. And it's super easy for us to understand things. Yeah, this is all about the columns. Gender is one column, physics marks, chemistry marks, maths, all these marks are in the columns. This we call it as variables. And about the color, Radhika, Devi, Sita, Geeta, Selvi, all these are the different cases. Cases are appeared in the rows, and will appear in the columns. This is simple to understand. This should be in the data view. And whether the register number is a numeric or that should be specified in the comma, dot, scientific note, notion, notation, or date, dollar, custom currency string, that to be specified in the variable column. Say for example, name is a string. Here a label can be given, name of the student. Okay, like it's a measure, all these things to be specified, how it could be do and in what way it can be done, we can say in the next video. So this is about the basics of data view and the variable view. Data view talks about the variables, and about the variables are given in the variable view. Yeah, so now we can check whether we understand our variable view and the data view. Variables appears in the column. We call it where it is. Normally variables are appearing in the columns. Yeah, it's in the data view. Yes. And information about the variables is obviously variable view. Hopefully you will understand data view and the variable view, and about the SPSS. If you have any questions, you can contact us. And today, in this session, we saw about what is SPSS, how to enter the SPSS, especially instead not fully about the enter SPSS. We know where to enter the data in the SPSS. Obviously, in the data view and the variable view, we saw both the thing in this particular series. Hopefully, you will understand about SPSS. In the next session, we will see about how to enter the data and how to take it in further. Hopefully, you understand. Thank you for listening. We will see in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.